Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You must start by ensuring you can reach the DNS host and that you have configuration backups. First, connect via SSH or console. Once connected, dump the active resolver and server configs. Make a timestamped archive of zone files and configs so you can revert fast. While you do this, note recent changes and error timestamps. These clues speed diagnosis. With access and backups confirmed, proceed to service inspection and log review in the next step. Now inspect the running service and logs to pinpoint failures. You should run systemtl status and journaltl, then open DNS logs for parse errors. Validate zone files with name checkzone and the main config with name checkconf. Those tools show line numbers. When you find syntax or record mistakes, edit cautiously, correct SOA and NS entries, and save. Once fixed, reload the daemon. Use systemtl reload or rndc reload, and watch the logs to confirm successful zone loading. Finish by validating resolution from multiple points. Run dig directly against your server and from an external resolver to confirm behavior. Make sure recursion and access controls match policy and that UDP/TCP port 53 is open on firewalls. If DNSSEC is used, confirm signatures are current. If problems persist, revert to the backup you made, disable recent updates one at a time, and capture fresh logs for escalation. This method isolates change-induced breakage and restores service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.